Salmon is heart healthy and full of vitamins and omega-3 fatty acids. It's also versatile, flavorful, and easy to make. There's so many different ways to prepare this delicious fish, so let's look at 4 of them. 1, sauteed. This is the perfect way to cook salmon fillets with a crispy, crunchy skin. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat with some butter or olive oil, and place your salmon fillet skin side down in the hot pan. Let it sizzle about 5 to 6 minutes, and then flip it with a wide spatula. Cook it for another 3-ish minutes, and finish it off with a squeeze of lemon juice. 2, roasted. Oven roasting salmon is quick, easy, and great for a crowd. You can fit several fillets or salmon steaks on a lightly greased sheet pan or baking dish, and then place it in a 400-degree oven skin side down for about 12 to 15 minutes. And that's it. No need to flip it. 3, broiled. Stay in the kitchen for the speedy salmon prep. Set your oven to broil and place seasoned fish on a sheet pan or cedar plank soaked in water. Broil on the top rack for about 3 minutes. If you like your salmon a little bit more well done in the center, turn off the broiler and just let it sit in the oven for a few more minutes. And that's it, it's amazing. 4, in parchment, or as the fancy French say, en papillote. This baking method uses steam to perfectly cook and moisten salmon while infusing it with your favorite flavors. Put salmon on a piece of parchment or aluminum foil with seasonings such as dill and other flavorings such as lemon slices. Wrap up your packet and bake it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. There are plenty of fish in the sea, but Salmon says use some of these methods to get the most out of this fatty and flavorful fish.